Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexa. So today's video is going to be a little bit different compared to what I normally do here in my channel because I am currently 8 months pregnant, or 35 weeks and a day today to be exact. And that is the reason why I have been away for a couple of months and I haven't been active in my YouTube channel. And I'm finally back today. I'm finally back in the mood to do some videos for you guys, and today's video is going to be something a little bit special for me, of course, because I waited for this for weeks since I pre-ordered it back in May or last week of April, somewhere around there anyway, and I can't wait to unbox this with you guys and share with you. So this is the latest special edition by Venicci, and I got the 3-in-1 Tinum SE, and I pre-ordered the 10-piece bundle one. So as usual, I'm gonna be linking all the description below if you guys are interested. And so without further ado, let's get into it. So by the way guys, I just want to give a huge shout out to my parents and to my boyfriend's family as well, who generously gifted us this prom set. We are so grateful and delightful for this, and we truly appreciate it. Thank you so much guys, and me and Nestor love you so much. This is the first box done, and this is now the seat unit. As you can see, it says 2.0 Tinum 2.0 on it. It has the rose gold detail that says Venicci on them here as well, and you can also see the logo on the side on the zipper as well. And you can also do this all the way down like that. So now we are on to the next box. Oh, by the way guys, that's the foot muff right there. That came with the first box that we just did. now guys, this is the carry pots, and it's so beautiful. You can also extend that, and then there's some ventilation. What's this one?
Ventilation.
Yeah, so you can also do that. Or if you wanna look at your baby from this side or from this view. And there's more over here. More ventilation if you want. You can actually get rid of this. Yeah, there's a zip down here. Can get rid of this. So there's another ventilation over here. Just zip that back. Also guys, I love this detail over here. It's so pretty, and there's this Venicci logo right here as well. You can also do that if you want. And there's a very good size thick mattress over here that came with it. There you go. This is, by the way, the rain cover that came with it as well. The changing bag. And it has the changing mat in it. Very simple. And this is the mosquito net. And here is the car seat, by the way, guys. It's very easy to clip back in. You just have to put in the adapter that came with it as well. And you'll have to hear the click. Is it in? There you go. Beautiful. It's not fully. Can you do this back? So now guys, on to the Isofix base, and by the way, that didn't come with a bundle. I got this separately, and as usual, I will leave the link below in the description box for the details about this. Guys, we're in the car and we're about to install the car seat now. And we were looking for that one there from the, what's this called, the instruction,
Extra security.
So I'm not sure if all cars have those things, these ones, the Isofix base, Isofix locks, whatever you call that. So we're about to install it now.
Secure.
There you go.
Is
that fine like that?
Yeah. Then jump into first.
You don't have to put that in. That's secured.
Oh, just in case.
kitchen. Lovely. Oh, good. So guys, I highly recommend, if you could, purchase an ISOFIX space, such as an extra protection for your child right here. Yeah, again, as I've mentioned, I paid extra for this. I can't remember how much it was, but again, I'll link it down below. And my boyfriend is just getting the car seats to install it for you guys. Okay, so now guys, we are about to install the car seat. This is take 5, by the way. Okay.
See this here?
Yeah. It has to be. Okay.
And then that's it.
You have to hear that click. And how do you undo it?
See here? See to push that.
Okay.
I'll show you again.
Ready?
Here's the control here. When you push it, that's unlock.
Yeah.
Let go, that's locked.
Okay.
Okay. Last one.
Be gentle. Imagine if you have a baby in there.
I'm sorry.
Be gentle. My days.
Here we go.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it, guys. Okay. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and I can't wait to see my baby in it, and you know, push the pram everywhere I go with her in it. And to those of you who are interested in purchasing this pram, I highly recommend it, guys. It's very lightweight, it's great for traveling, and it's very trendy. It's classy, it's perfect for any season, and you get what you actually paid for. Before I forget, I just want to say that this pram was actually recommended by a friend, by a good friend to me, and her name is Aryan. So shout out to you, Aryan. Thank you so much for this, and I really love the pram. I love the entire set actually. So thank you once again to Aryan and Ryan, of course. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon in my next video. See you guys.